Welcome back to New Car Updates, your go-to channel for the latest truck and car reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Peterbilt 389, a heavy-duty beast with 18 gears and a legendary reputation. If you love powerful rigs, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Now, let's hit the road. The 2025 Peterbilt 389 stays true to its classic long-nose design, but with modern upgrades. This truck is a perfect blend of old-school power and new-age efficiency. Up front, we have a massive chrome grille, LED headlights, and dual vertical exhaust stacks, making it a true highway king. The aerodynamic enhancements improve fuel efficiency without compromising its aggressive look. Under the hood, the 2025 Peterbilt 389 packs a punch with its Cummins X15 or PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering up to 605 horsepower and 2050 lb-ft of torque. And yes, it features an 18-speed manual transmission, giving drivers complete control over power and performance. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or cruising down the highway, this truck is built to perform. Step inside, and you'll find a premium, driver-focused cabin. The dashboard comes with analog and digital gauges, a large touchscreen infotainment system, and advanced driver assistance features. The 18-speed gear shifter stands tall, reminding us that this is a truck built for professionals. And for those long hauls, the sleeper cab is equipped with a comfortable bed, storage compartments, a mini fridge, and climate control, ensuring a smooth ride even off-duty. Peterbilt has also introduced some cutting-edge technology in the 2025 model. It features adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, collision mitigation systems, and a 360-degree camera. These updates make sure that safety and efficiency go hand in hand, giving drivers confidence on the road. The 2025 Peterbilt 389 is not just a truck, it's a symbol of power, tradition, and innovation. With its iconic design, raw power, and modern tech, it's set to be a favorite among truckers in the coming years. What do you think of the new Peterbilt 389? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to New Car Updates for more epic truck and car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.